In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TradingView. We'll start from a simple Google search and finish with connecting TradingView's paper trading so you can safely practice without risking real money. I'll keep it clear and straightforward, with a few helpful tips along the way. Begin by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search box, type TradingView. You're looking for the official TradingView website. It typically appears right at the top and includes the phrase, Track All Markets, in the result. Click that result to head to TradingView. As a good habit, make sure you're on the correct site and that your connection is secure before moving on. Once you're on the TradingView homepage, locate the search option. It's usually at the top of the page. Click it to open the search field. Here, you want to find the symbol called Gold versus US dollar, which is commonly displayed as XAUUSD on many platforms. When you see gold versus US dollar in the results, click it. That will load the gold chart against the US dollar. You should now see an interactive chart. Take a moment to get comfortable with the layout. You can hover over the chart to see price levels, and use your mouse wheel or trackpad to zoom in and out. If the time frame isn't what you expect, that's normal. The platform may default to a particular interval. The key is that you're on the correct gold versus US dollar page. Next, look for the Trade button on the chart interface. Click Trade to open TradingView's trading panel. This panel lets you place simulated orders or connect to supported brokers. For our purposes, we'll use the built-in demo environment. In the trading panel, click Paper Trading. Paper trading is TradingView's practice mode, giving you virtual funds so you can learn and test ideas without live exposure. This is ideal for exploring order types, risk controls, and chart tools while you build confidence. Finally, click Connect. This establishes the connection to the paper trading account. After a moment, you should see your simulated balance and order controls appear. From here, you can explore how positions, orders, and account metrics are displayed. If any prompts appear, simply follow what's on screen and return to the chart when you're done. That's it. You used Google to find the official TradingView site, opened the gold versus US dollar chart, launched the trading panel, selected paper trading, and connected successfully. Practice here to refine your process, and remember, this is a learning environment. Focus on consistency and understanding before you go live. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.